Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 3-in-1 garage door lube. And as with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So there's not a whole lot to show you with this. You get 2 cans of garage door lube. Now the reason I bought this is I just had to get my garage door fixed. And the guy that came out and fixed it told me if I would have just bought this and sprayed the wheels on my garage door as well as the spring about once a year, it would have fixed my issue and I wouldn't have had to go through what I did, which it cost me $200 to get my garage door fixed. So anyway, you get 2 11-ounce cans of the lube. Now I asked him, I said, why can't I just use WD-40? And he claimed that this is a thicker lubricant than what WD-40 is, and this is the one that he had recommended. Again, not a whole lot to show you, but at least you see what it looks like when it comes in if you order it from Amazon. I hope the video helps.